Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my home. My house is starting to look like Christmas. I'm so excited. I love this time of year. And I have my wonderful parents here for the weekend. And I coerced them into doing a segment with me, teaching us how to prepare their baccala con patate. This is a dish that my parents always do around the Christmas holidays. Now let's get started. Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my home in this beautiful holiday season. We're fortunate enough again to have my sweet papa, my beautiful mother here. It's not George Clooney, it's my papa. Doesn't he look gorgeous? Both my parents. And a specialty that my papa and my mama always make around this time of year is baccala con patate e sugo. Now, in English, it is codfish with potatoes and sauce. Now, Pa, let's get started. What do we do first? So how much olive oil, Pa?
To cover up the bottom.
Okay, to cover the bottom of the pot. Say it, Pa. Pa, say it.
1 spoon,
L'hai messo la cipolla?
yeah.
Oh, ha messo la cipolla e adesso deve mettere un po' di aglio
We have the pepper.
e un po' di peperoncino.
Okay, Pa, what are you doing now?
Now I'm gonna chop this spicy pepper.
Two very spicy peppers?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's coming beautiful after
The sauce
Yeah,
is going to
sauce.
come beautiful?
Yeah.
What are you doing now, Pa, with the
I'll
spice?
put a spicy pepper.
In the sauce.
What, Ma?
Baccala. In the sauce with the baccala, potatoes, onion,
Spicy
everything.
pepper.
Ma, what did you say, Ma?
Questo mangiare che facciamo di Natale.
Mangiare che facciamo qui?
Di Natale,
Di
per
Natale.
Natale.
So this is the baccala. I purchased it 3 days ago, long and dry. I kept them in here in water and I changed the water 2-3 times a day for 3 days. And now it's completely rehydrated and now it's ready to cook. Now what are we doing?
And put the sauce, ready this.
In the sauce.
How many jars?
2.
2 jars.
To clean the
Okay, to clean the jar. Okay, Ma. Good.
2 jar.
2 jars, yeah. Okay, Pa, now what?
half a cup parsley.
Half a cup of parsley?
So you have a basil too.
Okay, and if you have basil, you can add basil as well.
Yeah, yeah.
A good mix?
Yeah, if you have it.
Enough.
Okay. So you're cutting the baccala in pieces, Mom?
Yeah,
Okay. Serving pieces.
yeah. Number 1. Number 2.
Okay, it's been 15 minutes, right, Pa? Now we add the baccala.
The baccala.
Okay.
Coco.
Coco and Prada. Oh my gosh. Oh, they love you. Oh, they love you, huh?
Yeah, they're not really very good.
What are you doing now?
Now put a 2 cup water. It's a
Fresh
tub-
water. Get a nice bowl.
bowl.
For a nice boil, 2 cups of water.
After this, I put a little bit of potatoes. That's it. Now, half an hour is put the baccala,
Cooking for half an hour,
and now I put the four potatoes
chopped.
chopped. Okay,
Okay.
Now, for how long can you put in there?
for half an hour.
Half an hour the potatoes go in there? Okay. You're gonna give it a nice mix?
Yeah.
What a smell. Nice little baccala.
Nice.
Oh,
nice.
smells incredible. Smells nice, huh, Mom?
Avevamo sbucchia, no?
What, Pa?
Now you gotta
Ci sono la coppa.
We have a more cold.
E così bucchiano.
Okay, now.
E non abbiamo bucchiano.
Pa, is it ready?
Yeah.
Okay, taste the sauce.
And this is it's coming beautiful. It's coming beautiful.
How's the sauce? Wonderful, huh? We can make pasta with the sauce after.
Yeah.
Okay,
Can
Ma.
save the sauce.
Taste the cod, Mom. That's a potato. Okay, you can taste the potato. Taste the fish. The potato's delicious.
Yeah.
Taste the fish, Mom. The codfish.
È bello cotto.
Good. Delicious, Mom? Delicious?
Beautiful.
Beautiful? So we're going to enjoy our dinner?
Try, try.
Yes, we will. Okay. My papa, George Clooney, look-alike, and my beautiful mother, thank you so much for joining us
It's
today.
beautiful. The salsa, beautiful. The baccala.
And I hope you will try this wonderful recipe sometime during this festive season. And it's Caterina from my home to yours. Masi, bye. Bye.
Che bello sto baccalà. Cara proprio come lo facciamo da noi in Italia. Ed è saporito come quello dell'Italia. Ma non vedo l'ora, non me lo mangio.